Oh, it's hot out. Ah, poor thing.
That makes drilling easier. 3 foot anyway. Now comes the hard part. Going to the 4 foot level by hand. I want all of that. It needs to get out of here anyway, because the cement's going in the hole instead. And I'm going to pan this out for the stones, for the gold, for the garnet, for sale and for use. Everything's a resource here in Homestead.
I might come back and get some gravel for this driveway later. I want to top off the driveway a little bit better in the future.
Any stones even like that are useful for landscaping. Everything has a value here. For me.
Now, comes the hard part. Going down the rest of the way. Oh, the pipe keeps getting in my way. Need to widen out this area for the handles for that. I hate to fill in my hole, but I need space for the handles. Oh, it's hard to hack from driving on it. I'm gonna dig that out. It's gonna be a long job by hand.
Well, time to put some cement in the next hole. Just enough from the bottom. And then the post. Oh good. I did line it up right. I was so worried about that. Now, I'm going to be a minute because I have to measure and make sure I've got it set up in the right position. Well, I got that short up and plumb. I think I keep saying level. Whatever. I got that plumb. So there's our gateway. That's just over 4 foot, and I left room for 2x4s on the inside edge of each for framing, for hinges and whatever. So I can shim that up with 2x4s. Whatever. Anyway, there's the gate. That's the walk-through gate. It's wide enough to carry large packages or whatever through. And then there's going to be 2 8-foot gates for driving through. And that's going to have a 12-foot high arch over the top. Yeah, so now pour some cement in. So I need my water hose. testy. Now this is taking me a while because I let each one soak in and let the water go down before I go to the next. So, you know, maybe for me maybe it's a little overkill. Maybe I could just do it all faster, but I want this done right. I'm really taking my time. This is going to take me all day for 3 posts. But this is, you know, the most important part of the whole fence right here. That's going to be load bearing, high activity, a lot of stress. I should have recorded this. I took a 2x4 across, since there's a low spot here, and it slopes up here. I took a 2x4 across and a level, and I measured the height difference here. I had a 6-inch drop here from here, so I dug 6 inches down, and now I'm going to go my 4 foot deep. So this hole is going to be the same height as this hole, or the post I should say. So they'll be the same. Now that's a hole. Oh. Oh. Can you see? I don't know if you can see down in there. Yeah, you can see the bottom, can't you? That's a hole, eh? Woo! My hand's shaking. That's a hole. Oh, wow. That's an amazing camera. That is 4.5 foot deep. Right there. What a hole. Well, 3 posts in. I know it doesn't look like much in a day, but I made sure. I'm no expert, so I'm slower than normal people probably. I'm slower than experts. But I've got them perfectly plumb. And you know, I drove stakes in, and I screwed in boards and made sure it's absolutely perfect. The measuring was a job. Getting the distances right, again, I'm no expert, so that was a big job there in itself. And then organizing around my chain link fence so I didn't disturb it, because we're still going to use, can you see the chain link fence? We're still going to use it until I get the wood fence up. So that chain link's staying right in place. Right there until this whole section is done. I'm going to work inside it. So that works out very, very well. That took me some time and some planning. Yeah, so pretty impressive, I have to say myself. I've used 9 bags of cement so far, and it came out pretty good. I'm very pleased how that worked out. 9 bags of cement. I don't think this is going to move around. And once I get the arch on it, I just finished filling that one with water. I might put another bag in because this was the higher area, the higher part of the ground, and it can probably hold another bag. And why not? It'll give it more strength. At least the one side of the gate will be a little bit thicker cement and a little bit less flex on the whole thing. And I'm going to come up with 12-foot high trees. So this is 7. Wait, what do we got? 4 foot deep. Oh, I'm tired. 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 foot. I'm sorry. A long hot day. This is 8 foot tall. I'm going to actually come up 12 foot with rough cut trees and have a cross piece with another tree and then come down here. So that won't shake or bow in. And then I'm going to have right here on the walkway, I'm going to do the same thing at 8 foot, just straight across between the 2 posts with a rough cut beam. And that way that won't shake. And then all 3 will be tied in together and should be good. And if I decide I need to, I can always put angled back bracing in or even guy wires, but we'll see how it looks. I've gone 4 foot deep and cemented it in, so I don't know how it's going to look until we get it going. time will tell. Just in a couple more days and I'll know. I think that's pretty much it for the day, guys. Dinner's cooking. I'm just going to put that last bag of cement in. I know it was not a lot of accomplishment for a day for a person, but it was brutally hot and humid. And if anybody knows what that means, they'll understand everything. So I had to take a lot of breaks. I ate a lot of Himalayan pink salt. I mean a lot. And I was drinking 1.5 quarts to 2 quarts of water an hour to keep up with hydration. That's pretty intense, I think. But it's way above the normal for me. Well, guys, give me a thumbs up. Like this video. I definitely worked for it today. So, and please leave a comment down below. Every little bit helps to get my channel back where it should be. 138,000 subscribers. Well, also, if you would like to see a bit of a preview of every video before it goes up, I write a blog post on my Patreon account, and for just $1 a month you can get a preview. Generally on most videos I get a preview going up there before the video and in the video itself. So that's down in the description down below. Check it out, guys. Oh, and by the way, read the description. I put a lot into that. Sometimes you get more out of the description than what you get out of the video, so check it out. Thanks, guys. Thumbs up. Tell your friends. Talk to you later.